a couple of weeks, I've had a lot of clients that will call me on phone and say, Chuka, the properties you normally post on your page the prices are massive, or this your property, I don't really like where it's located, Sango Tedo, Aja, that place is too far for me.
I know, but I did business.
Now, I've gotten a property that is in Ologolo, that is close to Lekki Phase 1 and also close to Chevron and Aja. And this property, though is looking simple, but is giving out luxury vibes.
Oh my God!
Now, this property is sitting on a 461 square meters of land, very massive, and it comes with a governor's consent as the title. Now, you know how we do it. In a short while, I'm going to flip this camera and I will show you everything you need to know about this property. But before I do so, if you are new to my channel, you are coming across this video for the very first time, welcome. Kindly click on the subscribe button to share this video and drop a comment what you think about this lovely property. And I've successfully helped a lot of clients, both home and diaspora, to secure that genuine real estate deal. So stay tuned, watch this video to the very end. I'm sure you're going to love everything about this property. Let's go. Okay, so we are back again. I needed to show you the exterior of our 5-bedroom fully detached duplex and also show you the environment. So as you can see, the roads are paved, accessible. Okay, so let me go in. So this is our carport area. It can comfortably take up to 4 cars. This is our security house. And also we have the tap right here in case you want to wash your car. So there's a tap right here for you to do that. So let me quickly go around the house before going in. Let me just show you around the house. So if you take note, you notice the space between the main building and the fence. It's quite spacious. So you have your lovely lights on the wall just to beautify it, and it comes with a big tank that supplies this building. It has a pumping machine. So this is the big queue. I think it's locked. Locked. Okay, so you have this tap that is very close to the kitchen, so it's very easy to locate this tap. Go around. So let's go inside for you to see the interior of this lovely property. So first off, we are greeted with this brown wooden door that comes with a smart lock, a fingerprint and a video camera to access you, video camera. And also this is our visitors, our guest toilet. It has this lights to adorn the mirror. You can choose different lights, whichever one you want. And also there is a light here. Okay. So this is our living area. See how spacious it is. Comes with this lovely chandelier and also this wonderful, beautiful TV console. There's a lighting here that adorns this TV console and beautifies it, and also there is another light here and the window to give you access to natural light. This beautiful mirrored design to beautify your living area, and also this could be your dining area. This is your dining area. You know, it comes with this lovely chandelier and also this video intercom system. So to monitor as a camera outside to show who's at the gate. It's not coming on. Come back to it. So right here you could decide to do your artwork or whatever, something fancy to beautify the living area. So let me go into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. Comes with the kitchen island and with sink. Kitchen island comes with a sink. These beautiful lights are done with this fine white rock. Comes with a washing machine, a double sink, a heat extractor, a burner, microwave, an oven, and a double door refrigerator. And it has lots and lots of cabinets. Even the kitchen island too has cabinets. Okay, and use this one as unit to store stuff. And also it comes with the store. Okay, let me show you the visitor's bedroom. So this right here is the visitor's bedroom, the guest room. Has this lovely light, and all rooms are en suite. So we are done with the ground floor. Let's go over to, let's go upstairs. So it's a 5-bedroom, has a guest room downstairs and 4 rooms upstairs. So this is the family lounge. Has this beautiful chandelier, well lit. This is room 1. This is your cupboard. That's this window right here. Well vent. Give you nice ventilation and natural light. This is your bathroom. A shower cubicle comes nice shower head. So this is the second room. Up. Bathroom. So let's go over to the third room. Remember I said it's 4 rooms at the upstairs, the guest room downstairs. This is cupboard, wardrobe. This is your bathroom. So let me go over to the master's bed. This is your master's bedroom. Now the wardrobe over here. Okay. That's it too. So bathroom. Master's best bathroom. Comes with a bath, 2-bathroom sink, shower cubicle, and a toilet. So it has a balcony. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. So see the windows. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4 windows to let in natural light. Come with this. And check out the POP. Comes with an inbuilt speaker. So tell me what you think about this luxury apartment. You know, the thing I like about this property is it's looking simple, but at the same time it has this luxury appeal, this luxury vibe. From the outside it's looking very simple, but it comes with this calm, mature luxury vibe. And the price for this property is 270 million naira right here in Ologolo. So drop a comment what you think about this property. Is it the property you've been looking for? And call the number that is showing on your screen to bring you here for inspection. Till I come your way next time, thank you and God bless.